Hey guys, this is Matt. I'm with Sam Wolf, and today we're out in beautiful Crested Butte, Colorado. And we were out hiking and found this gentleman. Has a beautiful X3 Maverick, and we're going to go ahead and give him a bag for his back seat. This is the Novo bag. This is our back seat bag for an X3 four-seater. So this is a max. So follow me. We're going to go ahead and do the install. All right, guys. So first of all, we're going to start with the back. So this is the back of the Novo bag. It has one loop. The front of it actually has two loops. So as you can see, it's specially designed to go around the cage. This little notch goes around the cage. A stock cage. You have to have a stock cage, or at least a cage if it is an aftermarket cage that has these two bars right here at this spacing. We do have some manufacturers that make their aftermarket cage with these two bars running still, so it does fit those, but it is designed for a stock cage itself. So let's go ahead and start the install. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and start with the back. This gentleman has a mesh to keep the dust out, and it's probably about the same spot as this. We'll give it a try. It might not fit, and that's okay. We'll just continue on. It is just one extra piece of Velcro to keep it up. It's not. All right, and then all you're going to do now is go around the cage, putting the 2-inch Velcro around the cage. So let's go ahead and do that. When you wash your vehicle, you don't have to pull your bag off. The zipper is a number 10 zipper, and it does have a fly, so you don't have to take the bag off if you're power washing your rig or washing your rig. It is water resistant. It is not waterproof.